So I'm on my way to the start of the slopestyle course, or today's start, because it has been raining, so we can't do the first drop. But I'm here in Innsbruck for Crankworx and Shaman. And yeah, I'm stoked. I'm in for the contest, and I'm gonna do my first practice lap and then just get on with practice. We have about 1 hour today, and then 2 more days. Maybe 3 more days. Anyway, let's get into the practice. So how is the speed?
Too much, you would go.
I just frame cased the second hip, I don't know how.
Men Emil, fart här, trampa 3 varv har jag hört.
Alltså lita inte på någon alltså. Kolla på mig, men lita inte på mig.
Så?
Nej, men...
Okay. Wow! 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 Also, that's so crazy.
That, like the last lip?
Yeah. Yeah, the last lip and before it, it's like you slow down so much. But actually a really nice course if it would be hard.
Yeah. Hard packs is probably the best, easiest one all year.
I think so, yeah.
Because usually they're quite tricky, but this one's quite straightforward and just bomb it.
I fully agree. So nice. Okay, 5 laps in. I think I'm done for today actually. Like there is so much soft spots in the landings and just yeah, crazy to ride. The speed feels different every time. But nice to ride it through, and after this it will only get better, hopefully. Yeah, see you tomorrow. Yeah, Emil. Nice. Nice! Ja, mycket bättre nu alltså. Wow! Yo! So out there, second day of practice. Course is feeling way better today. I did 2 laps already. Starting to do all the basics of the run, and then just yeah, I'm just gonna keep going with riding. So yeah, let's do more riding now.
There's the low-key soft spot reported lift too.
Looks insane from up here.
Like you can't barely...
Okay, han trampa. Oh, how much do you break in the berm?
You'll know. Okay.
I hate when people say that.
Honestly, I asked the same, and then no one would tell me.
You break for sure for the step down a little bit.
You break.
You'll know, but it is.
It's like last year. You've been here, no?
No, 2 years ago.
Yeah, the same.
Okay.
Oh shit. Okay.
Something about bombing or whatever.
Wow. Wow. Hur går det, Alma?
Alltså det är kul. Jag har inte gjort några tricks.
So, had the first morning session. Half of the course is rideable now because they closed the first part, because into the big jump it was insanely soft. Yeah, stoked to have a skate park up on the top. Kind of feeling at home with the bar spins and tail taps and stuff, so it's a good warm-up for the bigger tricks and bigger jumps. But as you can see, everyone standing up there, and yeah, I'm gonna join them. Yeah, switch spun the step down. Felt good, but yeah, that's scary. Oh, like during a contest weeks, all these small wins are what matters in the end. Like, then you can put everything together. Feels good. Tack så mycket. Fick du? Ja. Går du att kika? Ja. Man bara, när ska man rycka? Så bara, där poppar jag. Okay. Oh, pretty happy to take off the corkies. Should think of it as a bit more hip on the second there, but step down felt good, and actually the hip also felt good. Just, yeah, always a scary feeling. Still trying to take off trick by trick and still enjoy the session.
Yeah, alle!
Yeah, Maren!
Yeah, vlog it.
Friday, tomorrow is the event, and we're having a full day of practice. Huge line, so we need to wait for the runs. But yeah, I think we're gonna do some tricks on the upper part now. It's from the big one. Yeah, that's it, and then just do some full laps to get into all the basics of the run. But yeah, let's see how the day goes. Oh! Whoa!
Impressive.
That's crazy! Nice one, Tom. Wow. Okay, definitely more hard pack today. Way better. Just need to get into the right mindset and flow now, I feel like. The plan got changed because it was windy on top, so we focused on the lower part. Did a truck whip now, which I'm stoked on, but yeah, a bit scary still.
Very nice.
Tack så mycket. Får jag se klippet eller?
Ja.
Yeah, fan vad fett. So it's so nice to see a clip of what you do to gain some confidence for the run. But yeah, stoked it worked out. Wow! Oh. So the event was supposed to happen today, this morning, but a heavy rainstorm coming in, so it's actually changed until Sunday, so we have one more day of practice in pretty weird conditions. It's a lot of wind gusts, but yeah, still making some of the tricks happen, and hopefully tomorrow morning at like 10 AM we're gonna start the event, so it means early wake up tomorrow and another day of practice. So Sunday morning, contest is going down in 1 hour or something. Gonna do some warm-up laps, some more practice, and then yeah, let's drop in. How is it today?
It's all good. Coming out at the end.
Yeah.
It's a bit wet walking up, so your tyres get a bit shitty.
So after the quarter pipe, otherwise the same speed and everything.
Yeah, it's just bang on.
Yeah, där har hon. Ja. Perfekt! Shit alltså. Yeah. Yeah, of course. Can we go? Yeah, of course.
Is where all the diamond stops on the FMB World Tour take place. He has been on the podium. He had a third in New Zealand in 2019. It's great to have him back. Let's see if he can capitalize on this opportunity.
Big bunny hop double truck driver into a front flip tuck no hander, almost over rotating him, but you saw him open up and slow that rotation down. Big cork 7 on the step down. Massive trick on that blind jump. Flipping hip number 1. 450 triple bar spin on hip number 2, tail whip in. Flip can out of the whale tail. And flip, tail whip. It looked like he wanted a little bit more on that last jump. Oh no!
Oh no!
I'm not even sure.
The Swedish rider who has made it onto the podium, Alex Alanko.
Bar spin tail tap on that quarter pipe. Double truck driver on the drop. Big extension on that front flip tuck no hander. Massive cork 7 on the step down, looking at this first hip, and he gets a no! How did he pull that around? I believe that was an opposite cork 7, just muscling it for everything. He's got opposite tail whip up, muscles at the 360 around, making it happen. Backflip tail whip. living on a prayer out here.
Oh! Hey, good thing we don't have 10 features.
I'm in sync with the earth. 10 toes deep, flower child from the turf. I never switch sides, like even when I die, I'ma ride for the squad, light up ties in a hearse. I've been on a vibe, kinda hard to describe. I'm in between, I'm good and it's fine, but I'm tired of the grind. Then I come alive in the night.